Hey everybody, it is Dave in here with Play Creatively, and I am pumped about today's lesson because we are going to learn how do you play by ear. Now, we are going to approach this lesson as though you know almost absolutely nothing, okay? So I think this is going to be so helpful for you. Playing by ear is absolutely essential for genres like gospel and jazz, Christian contemporary music, folk music, country music. You name the genre and it's absolutely essential for it. So you're going to want to stay tuned. All right, let's get right to the lesson. For today's lesson, we are going to learn how do you play by ear using really just a trial and error method, okay? And it's really just a way to develop your ears to cause you to slow down and really think about what's happening, okay? So this is what we're gonna do. I want you to sing the song Twinkle Twinkle Little Star along with me. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. All right, so one of the first steps to playing by ear is really singing out the melody. What you're doing is you are internalizing that sound, okay? And once you're internalizing it, you're thinking about it a little bit more, and your ear is becoming more acclimated to it, okay? So I want you to sing the melody slowly now. So twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now, the next thing is we need to match each one of those notes to a note on the piano, okay? So this is what I mean. Twinkle, twinkle, little. All right, let's try to find those. Twig, twig. When I play that note, it doesn't sound right to me. It doesn't sound like it's matching it. So let's try to find it again. Twig. No, that's not it. All right. Twig, twig, twig. That sounds like a close contender. Okay. Twig. No, that's not it. Twig, twig. All right, this sounds like the closest contender, okay? So you see what I did there? I sung that first note and then I matched it on the piano. All right, so that's step 1 and 2. You sing the melody or sing the note, and then you find the corresponding note on the piano simply through a trial and error process. All right, so twing. Now, let's try to find that next note. Twinkle. No, I can't. That's not it. Twinkle. No, that's not it. Twinkle. I found it. Twinkle. Now I have my first two notes, okay? Twinkle, twinkle. Okay? And then I need to find another note. Little. I got it. Now I used all of my ear to find these notes, all right? Now, what's interesting is I've actually never played this song in this key, okay? So that's exactly what you're gonna do for the entire song. Maybe you use Twinkle Twinkle, or you use Amazing Grace, or any one of your favorite hymns, okay? But that's exactly what you need to do to begin to play by ear. Is you sing the melody, then you find the corresponding note to each one of those melody notes on the piano. All right. And then the final step is this: you write it all down, okay? Especially when you're doing this at first, because you might get frustrated with yourself and saying, man, I knew that note earlier, but I can't remember what it is. So you write each note down, all right? And that begins to help you grow in your ear training skills, okay? Now, a helpful tip that I have for you is this: be patient with yourself. Doing this early on, you may begin to feel frustrated, or you may begin to feel like it's taking a long time to find one note, all right? Look, I remember when I first started doing this, I would actually just especially when learning from a recording, I would play one section over, I don't know, maybe hundreds of times, and I'm not even exaggerating, just to find that one note early on, all right? So that's exactly what you gotta do. All right, so for your homework, this is what I want you to do. I want you to finish off Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but then I want you to go ahead and take one of your favorite songs, and I want you to sing it, and then I want you to find the note for each one of the notes that you sung, and I want you to write it out, all right? Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like content like this, do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe. That just tells YouTube these guys are making great content. And if you want to learn the piano in a step-by-step process, so you want to understand concepts and you want to understand things like passing chords, chord substitutions, you want to learn to play more creatively, go ahead and go to our website at play-creatively.com, where you can find everything you need to grow as a piano player. Right now we have a special on our student membership where you can get almost 50% off the entire student membership, and it gives you everything you need to grow as a piano player. So go ahead and check it out in the description below. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.